朗诵，将在那里面多扎一罗大街，扎一卡多的莫的西门的歌，阿罗公的本达多罗萨瓦提修，所扎一的嘞，心脏就被路罗萨拉，所扎一的嘞，过着嘞莫家东，你别了用罗火的心做瓦脸红，西边子就别比多拉呀。
这是得嘞很松错把手，这是得嘞很松错把手。
大大的威塞诺杰，住所学满全内公园下有功，嘎布米诺拉罗索嘎布伦秋雨，马耶公就去啦多罗萨瓦西哟，索扎西德勒高维多然查莫。西德勒永永藏北定的，西北了永沙漠，永永内维美郎，松花浪藏北扎伊美的河，索扎西德勒高维卓然沙漠，索扎西德勒永永藏北定的。永沙漠，永永内维美郎，松花浪藏北扎伊美的河，扎西扎西的。
Tashi Thogang Nyi belong to Tashi dances, and we perform in general for Losar, and we have same number of male and female dancers that will do completely different movement. And now we will see. Female are in the center row, male on both sides. Now when the music starts, female go forward first and then to side alternatively. One go to right, one to left, until arrive in one line. Now do this movement, we will explain later. So female are in front, male are backward. Moving. Now we have the second. Going down. Now female turn to the left, going to the male dancer, taking kadar, facing in front. Kadar is very high. Then going to the right side, leaving kadar with one person, and then going in the circle. They complete the circle, arriving facing to the center, and now turning one turn and a half until giving the back to the center of the circle. Female dancers start in line, arms up, and we go forward few steps, and then we divide. One moves to left, one moves to right, continue alternating both sides. And the arms follow the movement, bending a little bit. Then when we arrive in our place, we open arms. And we start next movement. So we tap with right foot, arms up, we turn to the left, left tapping and arms open. Now opposite, up, turn, arms open. Now we go to the front and we bend. We almost sit, arms on the side. We repeat the movement, right foot tap, arms up, turn, arms down. Facing in front, arms up, turning, arms down, and then facing to the front. Again, we go down a little bit less than before, arms open in front, like offering. Then we turn to our left side, and left arm is bending at the beginning, like accompanying the movement. We go toward the male dancer with a few small steps. We take Kada, and then we turn and we remain facing in front. Now we will continue moving to the right with Kadar on our hand. We leave Kadar with one person and we continue turning to make a circle. Left arm is bending toward the body, like leading the movement. And we go in the circle with small steps, right, left, running. And then when we make a circle, we turn inside. And then with Tashi Dele, we do small steps, 1.5 turn facing outside. Male dancer go from outer line to the center. Now they are together, same line, facing the center, the turn, arms rotating. Again turn, then again arms rotate from left to right twice. Now they are holding Kadar, offering to the female dancer. They stand again with movement and rotating arms. One bending, one full rotation.
Tashi Dele thân sống cho ba chỗ. Tashi Dele thân sống cho ba chỗ. Ya la đi so, Tashi Dele show. Ya la đi so, Tashi Dele show. Show, Tashi Dele.
Now all female dancers are in the circle facing outside. And steps, we repeat few times this sequence of steps. We start with right, left, right, and left goes up, and then alternate. Next time we start left, right, left, and right goes up. So we do alternating these two parts again only the steps. So we'll be right, left, up. Now we start left, right, up. One more time, only feet movement. One more time, right, left, up, and then left, right, up. We continue with the same steps, but now with arms, we see the arms and also how we turn. We move backward with 2 sets of steps, now forward, and now turn. Then going to the center, one arm open, one close, both arms up, both arms to the center, and again facing outside. Backward, 2 sets of steps, one forward, turn, one back to the center, arms up on the side, both arms to the center, facing outside and quickly turn and facing outside again.
多年闻之辈着心脏松，将在那里面多扎一罗大街，扎一卡多的莫的西门的歌，阿罗公的本达多罗萨瓦吉修。多年闻之辈着心脏松，将在那里面多扎一罗大街，扎一卡多的莫的西门的歌，阿罗公的本达多罗萨瓦吉修。
Now we do this movement 7 times, turning, tapping left, tapping right. Now the 5th, arms well stretched up. And then we go up twice, arm and leg. And repeating for 7 times. Arms up, extending, tapping alternatively left, right, left, and then up. Now 4 times.
Tashi
多年闻之辈着心脏松，将在那里面多扎一罗大街，扎一卡多的莫的西门的歌，阿罗公的本达多罗萨瓦吉修。
Next part, we repeat the sequence of steps alternating right and left, but now we go more lateral and diagonal because we will go also line. So we go like this. Now left, right, right up, right, left up, and the arms follow, as you can see. So we go now right arm up, and then when we go on the other side, left arm up. We continue. We repeat again. Right up. Now left, right up, and left arm. We do this movement only 4 times. Then left hand at the heart. The elbow is well up. Right arm up, and we pivot on the left foot for 8 counts. We do it like this. 1, 2. We turn completely until we come back in the center. And now again, this lateral step like before, arms now different. We go up, and also shoulders go up, following the movement of the arms. Now male dancers do lateral step to the right first and to the left, arms rotating, very open, again to the right, 4 steps, to the left, lateral, 4 steps, and now the direction of movement is diagonal. 1, 2, 3, up. Arm and leg go up alternatively in opposite way. In this moment, in the choreography, female dancers are in the two central line, male dancers are in the two lateral line. We do a movement similar to the one in the beginning, so we go arms up, tapping right. Now we turn, and female dancers are facing each other. Again, arms up, tapping left, turning. Now female dancer will face male dancer. And from here we do twice the basic Tibetan steps with arms like this. And again we repeat, arms up, tapping right foot and facing each other. Arms up, tapping left, facing outside. Again, twice basic Tibetan steps. Now opening both arms, male and female dancer cross 4 steps lateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go back to their place. Now 2 steps forward, moving arms like this. 1 time basic Tibetan steps, arms up. And then we do alternating right and left foot, and arms go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Now when the music say oh, we go down, turning twice. We make a circle with both arms this way. And now we do 1 step. Pay attention that every dancer does a step with a different foot. And then we pivot, arms up, around left or right foot. Next part, male dance. Arms up, tapping right foot, then arms open, turning to the side, outside. Then arms up, tapping left, turning inside toward the female. Now we have 2 times the basic Tibetan steps. First time arms goes behind, down. And then the second time we do like this. And we repeat, movement like before, arms up, then arms down facing outside. Arms up, arms down facing inside the female dancer. Again, 2 sets of Tibetan steps. First time arms goes down. And the second time arms close, preparing to next movement. Now we cross to the side, going behind the female dancer, 4 steps. And again, arms close and open, extending with 4 steps. Now we do 4 steps, a little forward, with arms going first to the right, left, right, and then open at the side. And now continue, both arms go to the left and to the right, to the left, to the right. Now there is this O, so we open, left foot, arms turn, we do 2 times this turn, right foot go close to left. Now pay attention that here the 2 male lines do a different step with right or left foot, so open, and turn inside with 4 steps, keeping the arms well up.
Da da vi se no je tu so xue ma xue ne gu nge xia yu go ga bu mi no la lo so ga bu ren ju yu ma ye gu ju xue la do lo sa wa si yu.
Now female line merge with male line, and we have alternative male and female dancer moving with this step 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 up, until the two half circle will join. And now female dancers slowly go forward. So the formation now is two half moon, female in front, male a little bit behind. We explain our female part first. Female addressed to male dancer on the left side, and we do right step and left step, then left step right. Now with basic Tibetan steps, arms move like that. Again, basic Tibetan steps, arms open in front. Now female addressed to the male dancer on the right, and we do the same step, right, and then left, left, right. Two sets of the basic step, the second in front, opening both arms. Now female go in circle with steps we explained already before. Now look well the arms, and now we turn. So the start, opening the arms. Now they start turning completely, one and enough turn. So they will go backward now, always in circle. Keep going and turn again until the end of this sequence. Next part, we go from a circle, we have to open and go in half moon shape. And the step will be like this. We do right, crossing behind, and we open left. And then left cross behind, we open right, and so on. Right behind, and look how the arms goes also. When foot open, the corresponding arm goes up. Now right goes up, left goes up, and so on. We do a few times. Male dancer who also are in the formation of half moon now do this movement. Cross, cross, Tibetan step, arms up, and again repeating cross, cross, basic Tibetan step, arms up, and then they start to run clockwise direction, and you see 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 up, alternating. The leg that goes up, arm goes also up. And they repeat this movement until come back in the formation of half moon. And they end with arms up. Next part, they do like this, right step and left open on the side, and arm goes also up. Then left step behind, right open, also right arm goes up, and they do a few times this movement. And this is also remaining in the formation of half moon. Next part, left foot remain, we raise right, and also both arms go to the left side. So we do like this, 1 and twice. Now with quick movement, arms goes up and then in front, and we remain with the right foot in front, bending a little bit like offering. And we repeat a few times this movement. So we go again, arms to the left, right up, twice, and then step and arms in front. Next part, left foot remain, and we raise right, and hands go to the left side. We do this movement twice. Then jump, and arms in front, and also right foot goes in front. And repeating a few times this movement. Arms to left, right up, jump, arms in front, right foot in front. At the end of this section, we will end opening both arms up, like this. Now, with the very last part of the music, we turn 3 times with the basic Tibetan steps and opening both arms. But pay attention, we are like in a position of half moon, no? All the female dancer. So only one side of half moon will turn in one direction and the other side in opposite direction. So like that. 1, 2, 3. Now we all turn to our left side. We do 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 little step to the center and opening the arms this way. And we end the dance like this. Last part of the dance. In this sequence, we do again the movement, but the very last time we will end opening both arms up. So we'll be like this. And arms up. Now we do 3 times turning with the Tibetan basic steps. But pay attention that half moon will turn in one direction and half moon will turn in the opposite direction. So we do 3 times. First outside, behind, inside. And now we all turn to our left side with few steps. And then at the end, we'll jump. There is a big jump at the very end. And we end the dance like this.